In June, I visited around 300 Romani adults and children who were forcibly evicted from the Maseria del Pozzo camp in Giuliano in Campania, on the outskirts of Naples, where they had lived for 3 years. After the forced eviction, they were moved here to a totally inadequate plot of land on the outskirts of Giuliano's industrial area. The previous camp had been built near a landfill which stocked toxic waste, so the land was seized because it was dangerous and the authorities ordered the removal of the families. But they were given no written notice, no real consultation was carried out by local authorities for the new site. When they arrived, they found themselves living in yet another segregated camp, this time a former fireworks factory which had exploded in 2015. There was no structure in place to shelter families. There was no electricity when I visited, so you can see here that they had to use open fires for cooking and getting some light. There was only one shower, one plum, and two almost unusable portable toilets around, forcing people to use the surrounding bushes. Cold water was available only from 4 communal taps. There were even potentially dangerous fireworks materials like these powder barrels lying around the site. And there are dozens of children living there, some as young as a few months old. Some families without caravans were forced to sleep in their cars or outside or improvise some shelter. No human being should be expected to live in such degrading conditions. The Italian authorities must stop segregation, forced eviction, and discrimination of Roma. Act now. Contact the authorities via our website.